I'm looking for, honestly, is the product to allow my curls to pop. I'm looking for the shine. I'm looking for the Lord to raise me up so I can stand on mountains. Okay, sorry. I need my curls to have a little bit more hydration, a little bit more moisture inside of them. And then I'm just going to need to, I need it to last me, okay? I need at least 2-3 days. What you think? Let's see if we can get that done.
Okay, girl, let me get my YouTube voice on. So we're going to start with freshly washed hair. We're going to make sure the hair is damp, not wet, okay? We're going to need it to be fully detangled, okay? Make sure you read those directions. And we're going to go right in with this vanilla. Okay, no, get your words right. Okay, it's a whipped vanilla cream curl defining mousse. So I had to read the directions again because I was like, the ends are not doing what it needs to do. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit more, and I'm also going to break it up into smaller sections. So let me get down to what's inside of the product that I actually know about. See, I heard you because you was like, I don't really care what's inside it, but I need to tell you, okay? I had to jump out of my YouTube voice and get real with you real quick. I need to tell you what's inside so you know how it helps your hair. Okay, let's get back into it. Okay, class, are we ready? So first thing we have in it, obviously, it's going to be the vanilla, and that's supposed to put a little love in your scalp. Okay, so, oh, but you heard that. Did you hear it? Okay, get back in character. If you deal with inflammation or irritation of the scalp, it's supposed to help that. But girl, listen, it's so light.
I'm like waving it up against my arm, and I'm talking about feather soft. What my hair? It moves.
Okay, class, while that doesn't really help me specifically, my daughter does have scalp irritation or irritable scalp. So I am happy about the fact that I will be able to use this product on her hair when we're doing the style. So you just have to stay tuned because you know I love a product that I can not only use on myself, but on both of my girls as well. So I'll be showing you more about that. But let me jump out of class real quick, girl, because I need to tell you how it felt while I was doing my hair, okay? Initially, I started out with 2 pumps, okay? Immediately, I realized that I needed more. And sometimes the hair will tangle up midway. Just go ahead and brush it again, add some more product, make sure that you're getting the root. So that turned out to be 4 pumps of the mousse on this section. Now I do a mixture of smoothing and shingling the hair because shingling alone will take me a lot longer, but if I'm able to kind of smooth and release, oh, that might be a word. I ain't able to go into it because I actually need to sit in there real quick. So right here, can you see that? I noticed it was already dry and I got a little nervous, so I said, let's just add some more product. So overall, I will say this is a very creamy consistency for a mousse. It was lightweight. It did not give me the crunch at the end. I'll show you. It was a very fluffy and defined look. So I would really use this if I was in a rush or I was looking for that day 2, day 3 look. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into we're going to
this
be using
next one.
the whipped vanilla cream curl enhancing gel. Class, are you ready? Somebody said no, good, because I got to tell you, I am not a gel girl for my wash and goes. Like, I do not put gel down the length of my hair. Every time I use gel, it's literally just on the base of the perimeter to smooth it. But I was so interested to see how this worked out. I'm going to be doing the same method of the twirling and the smoothing of the product. You're just going to need to make sure that you don't do too much because it will start to feel a little firm, and if that happens, just add a little water. Okay, let's get into it, class. The next ingredient that I was able to pinpoint was biotin. Now, we all done heard about biotin. The main thing you need to know about biotin is that it strengthens the hair. Okay, a lot of us are weak. Okay, not internally, but our hair is weak. And it needs to be strengthened. So when you think about biotin, I want you to think about your hair is less likely to deal with breakage. Don't lose focus. The last thing, the products are all vegan. They are made with clean ingredients. They are gluten free. And it's a lot of ingredients in here that it is free of, but it is not a free product. I really should have started this whole segment with this. $10.99 for one product, and then we got $15.99 for the next. Now, which one do you think is $10.99? Tell me in the comments right now. Stop, pause the video, and tell me which one is $10.99. Which one is $15.99. Now, let me tell you which one is which, okay? The gel, here we go, is $10.99. The mousse is $15.99. Now, personally, let me tell you what I think. Okay, this is personality because I got to give you the goods, okay? I think that the gel was worth $15 and the mousse is worth $10. Hold on. And it's not because of the price. Let me tell you why. Aaron, you know I like to save $1, but for real, this product, the consistency was amazing. You saw from the very beginning, the goopiness, that little snotty look. I already knew it was going to slip and slide through these curls. The smell was so light. It was so easy to apply, and it helped with detangling. But here you go right here. The curls were so tight. It gave me that extra shine, and it was more defined and cohesive throughout the week. And when I tell you, I would grab this product immediately. If I had to just grab one product, it, for me, would be the gel. I don't know why I did that. I should have Okay, let's focus. So yeah, it would be for me, if I had to just grab one, it would be the gel. Okay, so all in all, I would say that the mousse, while it did raise me up, it didn't give me that shine or that extreme definition that I was looking for. You can see that right here. It was about 70-85% dry. And then here is the gel. Now the gel, it didn't raise me up, but it did define me. It did give me that extra bounce, and it did give me the shine I was looking for. But also, let me add that you can layer the product. So what you can do after you put on the mousse, you can put the gel right on top, and it might give you the full combo that I've been looking for. Girl, I should have did that in the beginning. Anyway, ooh, that's the review. We made it through, girl. Let me go ahead and show you what it looked like the next day. Your curls would not look exactly like mine because these my curls, okay? Your relationship, your life, your career, your patience, your joy is gonna be your own. So, I gotta plug it. Don't look for exactness, but look to enhance what you already have, and I'll see you next week. Bye.